It's an old remedy, but go get it if you can. Google it. What's in your area? If you can find Father John's, that should be knocked out your system in one day.
Father John's. Let me see.
Father John's. It's an old remedy, but when I tell you, somebody put me onto it. That shit knocks it out. It's better than Robitussin. It's better than NyQuil. Father John's.
Father
Yeah,
John.
let Father John get up in you.
No pun intended. Or
Father
is
Johnson medicine. This shit.
Yeah, put that Johnson in you.
Yes, Father
Yeah.
John's. Yep.
put that in
What's
yourself.
That right there is
Yeah.
an old school remedy, but that is like the closest thing to like the most natural thing that can.
But you
A
got to
lot of
take
people,
a
a
Feel
lot of
right,
people
dude.
not selling it,
you,
but it'll knock it out of you, and you ain't got to worry about stuff messing with your heart or anything. It's like
but
Yeah,
you
let
got
Father
to take
Johnson
an
hit your
enema.
stomach.
You got to take an enema.
wait, what? No, you
What?
don't.
You got to take a public enema. That's what you
No,
need.
no.
You feeling of
You
accomplishment.
drink it.
It'll hit your system faster. You
Just
take a
look it
public
up.
enema.
Look it up, and if it's something that you can have, go
Pour
get
it
it.
in your ass.
Don't
I like,
cough.
yeah, I
Don't
like.
cough.
I ain't had nothing enter me in a minute. I might take an intimate or a dish, one of
I'm
the
gonna
two.
look at this. Let me see some Father
Shit, I
John's.
might take 2 dishes.
Hey, this shit $6.98 too.
The first one don't last that long. So,
You found some cheap Johnson?
I'm talking about medicine. You talking about dick? Well, you found some cheap dick. Where I can get it at?
Amazon.
Consider it.
You got that
Consider
Amazon
It's
Prime?
only cheap.
That Prime dick?
yeah,
There you
if
go. Go
anything
get
were
that.
like Father
It's only
John,
cheap
where
because
is
you.
that John
It's only
dick?
cheap because you're in the Bay Area. It's that Johnson real cheap in the Bay Area.
Shit.
Yeah.
We know you over in the Middle East holding hands with them little boys. You know what you're doing over there.
I'm out here with America's best war fighters. You at home with that Johnson?
Get the fuck out
Keep
of
that
here.
Johnson out your hand. All right? Keep that Johnson out your hand.
Hey,
Get two of them.
you get the Father Johns, I'll get the
Oh,
Johnson.
shit.
Okay,
Double fist them Johnsons.
I'll take.
We got to get him because he's sick. That's all. He's sick and he's
Yeah,
tired.
I got a headache. Huh?
He on the ropes. He on the ropes tonight, man. Let that
Yeah,
man
That's all
breathe.
right. That's all right.
Let him breathe, man.
Top of
He's
the new
like
year
2025, I got your ass.
shoe program, nigga. Putting cases on all y'all ass.